Alright, so how's everybody doing? We're back here with the Rode NT1 and the HyperX Quadcast. We're comparing an XLR mic against a USB mic and see how they sound. I'm using GarageBand for my DAW, digital audio workstation, whatever you want to call it. I'm using no compressors, no EQs, nothing like that, nothing in post-processing. All I'm going to do is adjust the gain to see which one you like better or see which one sounds better. So we're just going to test these two out, XLR against USB. If you don't recognize these microphones, one's the Rode NT1 through the Rode AI1 audio interface, and the other one is a HyperX Quadcast going directly into the computer. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D. Which one sounds better to you? Hopefully you can hear a difference, and if not, pick whichever one sounds better to you. There is definitely a price point difference. The HyperX Quadcast is around $150. If you get the Rode Audio Studio Kit, it's around $350, but it lets you future-proof your audio setup so you can just switch mics or audio preamps or something like that. So I am recording these both at the same time, and I'll play them back differently in the video so you can see if there's a difference. Alright, so how's everybody doing? We're back here with the Rode NT1 and the HyperX Quadcast. We're comparing an XLR mic against a USB mic and see how they sound. I'm using GarageBand for my DAW, digital audio workstation, whatever you want to call it. I'm using no compressors, no EQs, nothing like that, nothing in post-processing. All I'm going to do is adjust the gain to see which one you like better or see which one sounds better. So we're just going to test these two out, XLR against USB. If you don't recognize these microphones, one's the Rode NT1 through the Rode AI1 audio interface, and the other one is a HyperX Quadcast going directly into the computer. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D. Which one sounds better to you? Hopefully you can hear a difference, and if not, pick whichever one sounds better to you. There is definitely a price point difference. The HyperX Quadcast is around $150. If you get the Rode Audio Studio Kit, it's around $350, but it lets you future-proof your audio setup so you can just switch mics or audio preamps or something like that. So I am recording these both at the same time, and I'll play them back differently in the video so you can see if there's a difference. Once again, have a great day or night, and happy shooting, and please let me know which one sounds better to you. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day. Once again, have a great day or night, and happy shooting, and please let me know which one sounds better to you. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.